Hey, what's up guys? So how is it going? So here in this video I'm gonna give an honest review on Sidegig.co. So when I'm trying to make a research about this particular website, so I noticed that the website URL is sidegig.ng before, but then they changed to sidegig.co. So I'm gonna give my honest review about this particular website, and I'm going to explore you on the about us page, the contact option, the frequently asked question, as well as the forum, and also I'm gonna open an account on this particular website so we can see what it's inside this particular website. So, and then you'll know if the website is actually worth your time spending on this platform. So because this is just like a freelancing platform where you can actually publish your service, and also if you actually need some workers to perform some tasks for you, so you're able to post your gig here. So here this is earn more income completing simple gig. So if you are trying to make money online, so definitely this sounds like what you actually need to as a side also. So just like it was said, like side gig. So this is join over 100,000 freelancers already earning on side gig from home. So click on any here. So it's not that easy as it sounds and as easy as I pronounce it though. So because you have to work before you can actually make a dime on the platform. So yeah, after signing up, I guess this is how the dashboard definitely looks like, and a screenshot was made from the platform which says that this particular Michael Bolatito have earned over 2 million wallet balance and the task completed. So these are the tasks, these are the trending tasks. So, and I guess this is what you earn per task. So let's see how it works here. So once you join the community, so you submit the sign up form to join the side gig community to be reviewed and approved, because I guess they have to once you sign up, you have to check in your details before your account can be actually approved to offer or work on the platform. So select active task. So a name gig every 10 seconds, follow the instruction, do the best work, so get paid anyway. So reach minimum threshold, withdrawal directly into your local bank. So I guess there is a limit of amount you actually need to make before you can actually push on the withdraw button before you can able to get paid. So this is the amount earned on the platform, job completed, and freelancers on the platform, which is over 100k. Maybe that sounds like too competitive, I don't know, because everyone wants to make money. So these are some platforms which they are available. So Facebook, SoundCloud, AudioMac, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. So what are people saying? This is kind of like a review about the platform. So, and that's actually nice. So this is frequent asked question, which what is side gig. So side gig is an online workspace for freelancer which serves to connect user by providing simple to complete gigs online. Job listed on the platform are diverse and limited, so it's range from simple tasks such as liking or commenting on content to completing a survey and post. So that sounds simple, but then how about the paid? So what is a freelance person? So a freelancer is an independent laborer who earn wages on a per job or per task basis. So typically for short-time work, benefits of freelancing include blah blah blah. So that's just a story. I guess you actually know what freelancing is all about. So how much can you actually make? I think these are the things you actually need to look into. So I guess you can actually make money based on the time you have to work on the platform, and as well as how often do you see a tax to apply for. So those are the things that depends on how much you can actually make online. So how can you join? Whoa, this is late. So to join the side gig, a one-time activation fee is required, which is 500 naira, which you can earn back easily. Wow, that's amazing. I guess that's not much though. Just maybe $1 or something. So that's nice if you actually want to give it a try. So how do I get paid? So you get paid directly into your local bank. You can request for withdrawal once you reach 4,000 naira TSO. So how long does the withdrawal take? Sorry. So the withdrawal take 25 to 20 days before you can push on withdrawal button. That's too much. That's actually too much. I guess that's like a month. Doesn't sound cool to me. I have to be sincere. It doesn't sound cool to me. As a freelancer, you have to work like a salary earner working on for government and be paying on a monthly basis. This is just like a monthly monthly work. So I guess I won't be able to do any kind of work here as for me. So that's just for me though. And let's see the forum and see what's in there. Okay, so as you can see, the URL has actually changed, which is sidegig.ng. So this is actually different because maybe this a personal URL for the forum. So that makes sense. So that's for the forum. I guess we don't actually have much thing to do here. So let's go back and see about us. So we are more than just a hustle. So we are an ecosystem driven by the purpose of empowering people with no discrimination of any sort and with no prior professional skill needed. Oh wow. Inspired to provide extra source of income. Okay, so these are all stories which I don't think I need to read. So this is the core value freelancer company with people first culture. If I had to conclude my honest review about this particular platform, yeah, so as for me, I found some stuff as disadvantage on working on this platform. The first disadvantage that I found on this platform is paying before you can actually get your account approved on this platform. I understand the fact that they actually want to make money in managing the platform, but then at the end of the day they will still charge freelancers and clients once they post a gig on the platform. So that's kind of like making money in different kind of ways. So me paying 500 naira to get my account active on this platform is a no deal to me. And the second thing is what did I even notice back then? The second thing is getting paid for 20 to 50 to 25 days. That's pretty much. It's very, very much. That I believe the maximum that should be is within 10 to 15 days, because there are some freelancing website that actually pay out within 7 days, 15 days, but you taking 20 days to 25 days to pay workers, it's actually much to me. So I won't I want to support that particular part. And if the customer support find this video and watching this video, I think they can actually work on this and reduce the the payment methods, payment withdrawal time to maybe 15 or less time. So that would definitely give people who actually want to work on the platform sometimes, and also wish to work on this particular website, and also trying to give or to make more money working as a freelancer. So this is just my honest review on this sidegig.co, and if you actually want to give it a try, so you can just push on start earning here. So you'll be able to register your account, make the payment as requested, and then from there you'll be able to get your account active on the platform. So this is all I have for you in this video, and if you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section, and also like this video and subscribe to this channel. All this actually mean a lot to us, and also it will push the video to the right people who actually want to make money as a side also here in Nigeria. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, there is more. Peace.